Here's how to get started and make money in Outlier AI. So Outlier AI is basically a platform that hires freelance experts to train, evaluate, and improve large language models. Basically AI models. So workers here use their specialized knowledge to review AI responses, write prompts, and correct factual inaccuracies. Now to get started, just click on the View Opportunities button on the top or in the middle right here. Now once you click it, it should redirect you to this page where there's lots of opportunities that you can look through. There's a few categories that you can choose from. You could choose the highest pay, the newest, and the most trending one. And as you can see here, based on the category, the opportunity is tagged on the top right. You can even select the country which you're from to narrow down the options. And most especially, you can pick a skill or an expertise. Now to give you an example, let's say that I am an expert in law. There, as we can see, there's an open opportunity. Let's click it, and once we click it, we can view the details. Here, so the first thing that you see here is about your application. This gives you the steps that you need to take in order to apply for the job. First is to build your profile. Step 2 is to confirm your identity. Step 3 is to validate your skills. And step 4, you can start earning on your projects. So before we go into that, or before we start on that, here at the bottom, you can see all the details about the opportunity that you just took. As you can see here, this is the main reason why the opportunity is available, and all these other stuff that are written here. Now, once you're satisfied with the information, just click on Apply Now so that you can start your application. So the first thing that you need to do is sign up using your email. So it's very easy, just connect an email of yours and then verify it. Once you're done, it should redirect you to this page where you can take the steps that we talked about earlier. Creating your profile is very easy. It just asks for your name and asks you to verify your phone number. Here in import skills, it gets kind of complicated. As you can see, you're required to link your LinkedIn and upload your resume. And here at the bottom, where it says optional, you can upload details about your profile that help you match with better projects. Make sure it matches with your LinkedIn and resume because they run an auto evaluation to check if it matches. The next step is to verify your identity. There, you are required to upload a photo of your ID so that they can check and verify if that is really you. The next step is to verify your skills. It's basically a series of tests that you need to complete in order to authenticate your expertise. Once you're done with those steps, just wait for a confirmation about your application and then you should start earning in Outlier AI.